Dream deferred, but not denied. Despite a 2017 accident that has derailed his Olympic dream to compete against able-bodied athletes, Marlo Rodman has switched focus to the Paralympic Games, looking for a chance to become the first paracyclist to represent Jamaica at the Games. Here's Denise Walters.
Marlo Rodman saw his dreams of competing in the Tokyo Olympics vanish after losing function in his left arm. However, after encouragement from Dr. Wayne Palmer, the president of the Jamaica Cycling Federation, Rodman took up paracycling, this time with an eye towards the Paralympics. Dr. Palmer says Rodman was heading in the right direction until COVID-19 hit.
However, with the pandemic halting all cycling events, including paracycling, Mr. Rodman was unable to enter the necessary qualifying events. We're still hoping that some of these qualifying events will eventually be held and give him a second opportunity.
Dr. Palmer added that there are also other factors that are presenting a challenge.
The approval of a COVID protocol to allow training at the National Stadium, in addition to the ability to travel to other countries to participate in qualifying events, and the necessary quarantine that may ensue in between events.
Not daunted, Rodman, who is doing physiotherapy on his left arm, is still working out on his own.
There are some days I'll go into the mountains, like I'll ride from here to go through Plantation Heights and drop back out in Bagwalk and then go up to Euroton and come back home. Sometimes I'll just stay on the flat, because that helps to build good cadence when you stay on the flat. Strap this arm to the bike, try to tense the shoulder as much as possible to get some kind of use from this arm and do the workouts.
He admits to a never-give-up attitude, reminiscing on that mindset at the 2015 Caribbean Championships.
Last lap, the road away and leave me. And I'm like, okay, you just have to settle for third place because two guys rode away with me. I'm like, no. Went up the hill and I saw them out in the distance and I started riding. 400 meters from the finish, I saw them. I'm like, whoa. My head swelled big. My head raised. And I just sat on the bicycle because I was feeling some cramps and just gave it 100% to the finish and I won. And since then, it just keeps getting better and better.
Also certified as a paracycling coach, the 32-year-old Rodman has words of encouragement for persons going through a tough time.
I would say to other athletes out there, don't give up on the dream, don't give up on the dream no matter what the circumstances is. And just keep pushing and putting the best foot forward.
Rodman will have to compete in a classifier event to be classified by cycling's governing body, UCI. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.